Let's build a simple blanket ladder. For this project, I am using Redwood 2x2s. The first cuts are simple 6-foot cuts for the sides. The rungs are cut at 3-degree angles. As always, I cut off a scrap end and use it as reference when making all the cuts for the rungs. The plans have the exact dimensions for all of the rungs. When making multiple cuts on the same angle, I like to leave the saw set at that angle and just rotate the boards around to get a consistent angle on all of the boards. Once all the cuts were made, I laid them all out in order. And adjusted for the distance. Once everything looked good, I went ahead and added wood glue and screws. You want to pre-drill with a countersink bit so that the screws can be hidden inside. And check the spacing at every step as you pre-drill and add the screws for each of the rungs on both sides. I went with Redwood for this project because I think it's an excellent choice for a blanket ladder. It is lightweight and it is extremely reasonably priced for all the benefits it brings. And it looks amazing when finished. Once done, I turned it on its side and added an extra screw on each of the rungs. You do need 2 screws on each rung for added stability because one screw can act as a pivot point. I filled in the holes with wood putty, and the next day I sanded and wiped it down. To add a little bit of character, I decided to dry brush white paint at the bottom of the ladder. Then I finished the redwood with a penetrating oil sealer, and this is where the magic happens. Look at that gorgeous deep color. And that is the blanket ladder. Simple and easy to make and only uses 2 power tools. And again, how gorgeous is that color of the redwood?